Straight to the point.
Alas 9:13 na mga higala ang City Treasurer Toledo City. Naon sa bang hitabo makigilaan nga wa man pasudla sa iyang opisina. Natingala tada ko, in fact ako ning na-post sa atong FB page sa Attorney Rufil Banyok FB page mga higala. Unya naon sa bang kalakiha nga kuan man kini ni ang pagsud sa opisina kay mo report na siya gilakan ang iyang opisina wa sa kasud. Naunsa ning kalakiha mga higala, dunay mga problema ni, dunay kuan pero wa ta mahibaw sa background mo nang atong susihon sa asa mo ta pakita ko no video kadali ko no names. O kani o. So ba ni? Mo report sa siyang opisina kani o. Gilakan. Gilakan ang opisina wa sa kasud.
Sinagutos. Si Mayor nag-instruction na huwag akong papasukin. Ano pang basehan niya? May letter siya? Ha? Walang letter, walang ano. So hindi niya ako pasukin. Yan ang instruction ng Mayor. Naintindihan ko yung trabaho niya lang yan, pero wala akong papel, walang dokumento. Base sa utos ng Mayor. Ang pangalan ng Mayor? Ha?
Joey Morales.
Joy Perales? Oh, sige. Hindi ako pasukin. Basta nag-attempt akong pumasok. Sa akin, may papel ako, may order ako, may directive ako, susundin ko lang, ha? So, hindi ako papasukin. Ang gagawin ko lang is, nag-report ako, at least nakita nyo naman na nag-attempt akong mag-report. May guardia. Hindi tayo para magbulo at pananakit sa kanila. Ha? Sa akin is pumasok ako. Sumusunod ako sa directive. Okay? Okay.
So mo ni mga kailan ha? Free sa posa name. Posa kala names. Posa kala ha. So mo ni si isa nga lang day si Rivera, first name Leonardo Rivera. Okay. Leonardo Rivera mahigala ang ilang city treasurer. So na-report na siya dito sa iyang opisina pagtan-aw di naman sa paliporton na ang mga higalay padlak. So ingon siya kisa maning mando kuno sa mayor. Isa man mayor da si Mayor Joy Perales katong gi-mention. Okay, sige. So mao ni mga higala no. Ang mayor may nagmando nga padlakan ang maong pultahan wa na siya makasulod. Na ha, okay ato balikan kadali ha, baby. Sige balik ko no dong, rewind ko no dong kini mong video.
Sinagutos. Si Mayor nag-instruction na huwag akong papasukin. Ano pang basehan niya? May letter siya? Ha? Walang letter, walang ano. So hindi niya ako pasukin. Yan ang instruction ng Mayor. Naintindihan ko yung trabaho niya lang yan, pero wala akong papel, walang dokumento. Base sa utos ng Mayor. Ang pangalan ng Mayor? Ha?
Joey Morales.
Joy Perales? Oh, sige. Hindi ako pasukin. Basta nag-attempt akong pumasok. Sa akin, may papel ako, may order ako, may directive ako, susundin ko lang, ha? So, hindi ako papasukin. Ang gagawin ko lang is, nag-report ako, at least nakita nyo naman na nag-attempt akong mag-report. May guardia. Hindi tayo para magbulo at pananakit sa kanila. Ha? Sa akin is pumasok ako. Sumusunod ako sa directive. Okay? Okay.
Okay, so mo ning hitabo ang mga sukit ti paminaw ato ning tagagpagtagad kay atong abot hinabion mahigala karon kini si ang ilang treasurer nga wa pasudla mga sukit ti paminaw aron nga makuan nato ni check nato mahigala unsa bagay tinuod nga hinungdan ngano na inani ni mga sukit ti paminaw no. So ato nga tagagpagtagad mga higala kini maong sitwasyon para nga mahibaw-an nato no. So wala to kaon tong side sa maong treasurer pero kaon sa natong side mahigala sa tanan nga mga sa mayor or unsa ba kaning uban no nga atong makuha sa mahigala nga mga side ani mong istorya. Okay, so si Leonardo Rivera, mao din ilang city treasurer, wa na pasudla mga higala. So ni-report siya dito kay kuan man, pero padlakan unsa kang orasan nahitabo ni nga na tanaw nakakandado man ang kuan. Tanawa ko names, pwede man ma-freeze names kanang kandado tanaw. Iyang gikunan. Oh. So kandaduhan na dili sa kasod. Aha. Dili na hitabo may higala sa Toledo City Hall. Unsa man po'y rason nga no nga inana mga higala no? Wa ta masayod ani pero nigawas mo guni sa social media, ako mismo mga kagala nakapost na sa kuaning kuana nga video o mo na nga atong sutaon kung unsa gyud kining mao nga panghitabo ha. So atong siguro tawagon no ang ilang city treasurer mga sukitig paminaw nga kining aron nga atong makuhaan sa iyang side sad no. Okay, para nga makuha ni ha. Ang ilang city treasurer si Leonardo Rivera Jr. Okay, so atong hatagag pagtagad mga kaigsunan, siguro makontak na to rong taon-taon. Ato siya mahigalang hinabion para mahibaw ta aning maong sitwasyon diya sa Toledo City, mga sukintig paminaw. Okay, standby lang sa kanaliha kay atong gikontak ron kining wa pasudla mahigala nga city treasurer. Sige, balik sa kausadong be, kausadong names. I-rewind sa kausadong names. Okay ni Padong sa report sa opisina, pero gipadlakan. No, kandado nako. Nada yung mga security guards, mga blue guards ba na ni?
Si Mayor nag-instruction na huwag akong papasukin. Ano pang basehan niya? May letter siya? Ha? Walang letter, walang ano. So hindi niya ako pasukin. Yan ang instruction ng Mayor. Naintindihan ko yung trabaho niya lang yan, pero wala akong papel, walang dokumento. Base sa utos ng Mayor. Ang pangalan ng Mayor? Ha?
Joey Perales.
Joy Perales? Sige. Hindi ako pasukin. Basta nag-attempt ako pumasok. Sa akin, may papel ako, may order ako, may directive ako, susundin ko lang, ha?
Okay, standby mahigala mo ni si City Treasurer Leonardo Rivera Jr. nga diin wa pasudla sa iyang opisina makaigalan tumahinabi dasto nga pikas kalinya karon kay natawgan na to aron nga atong mahibaw ta unsa ning istoryaha mga sukid tigpaminaw ngano na inani man mga kaigalaan ha. Alas 9:21 na.
Lahat ng tanong, straight to the point.
Mr. Leonardo Rivera, maayong buntag sir, live taron sa DYHP, RMN Cebu ug IFM. Maayong buntag.
Good morning po, sir. Good morning, attorney.
Sir, pwede ba nimo mahibaw-an mo unsa man ning hitabo nga wa man kapasudla sa imong opisina unsa may background ani sir?
Okay. The background of which. Just a short story, attorney, no? Mag-Tagalog lang ako, ha?
Sige, sir.
Mahirapan ako mag-Bisaya, eh. Pero
okay.
kahit hindi ako Bisaya.
Okay.
2024, na I was detailed sa... January 2024, I was detailed sa BLGF, Region 7. And then, January 2025, na-issuehan ako ng extension ko ng another detail pursuant to Department Personnel Order 028-2025 signed by Secretary Recto. So during that extension, nag-file ako ng appeal sa civil service in which October 8, 2025, nagdesisyon ng Civil Service NCR in my favor to return to my station. Unfortunately, there was a motion for reconsideration on the order, so I have to wait. And on November 19, the motion was denied and in favor of the first decision that they did, no. So during that time, while waiting, I was just waiting for the proper directive order. Here comes January 10 na nag-expire yung aking extension. Yung detail. Yeah, yung aking detail nag-expired. During that expiration, December 26, Executive Director of the Bureau of Local Government of Finance issued an order to Regional Director, BLGF Regional Director, and informing me transmitted me a letter na there will be a turnover of accountabilities on January 12. So the BLGF regional office made a visit sa Toledo City for the turnover. Unfortunately, nag-object si Mayor sa turnover of accountabilities. So hindi siya natuloy. January 13, the regional director accompanied me to the city treasurer's office to implement the order, the turnover. Just the same, hindi siya natuloy dahil because of the objection. So I was advised to assume, so I made a letter addressed to Secretary of Finance, Secretary Go, na I am assuming the position of the City Treasurer of Toledo in compliance to the said order. However, since there is an objection, I have to temporarily use the office of the BLGF. So from January 13 until January 27, I was reporting at the BLGF Region 7. January 27 at around morning, I was able to receive another directive from a transmittal letter from the regional director. Attached is the first endorsement dated January 21 by the executive director, and to quote that the regional director is instructed to advise Mr. Rivera that he has no authority to hold office as city treasurer at the BLGF regional office. CSC decision ordered his return to his station, office of the city treasurer of Toledo. Mr. Rivera cannot stay at the BLGF regional office since his detail has expired, and he is ordered by the CSC NCR to return to his post in Toledo City. So what I did, January 27, nung na-receive ko siya, January 28, I prepared a communication addressed to Secretary Go of my address to Secretary Go, Civil Service, DILG, HRMO of Toledo, and the City Mayor, informing them that I am physically assuming and reporting at the City Treasurer's office. So with that, after the receipt of the Mayor's office and the HRMO, I visited the office. So I informed them that I am assuming na physically. So with that, 3 lawyers ang dumating sa akin on that afternoon, and they were informing me that I have no valid directive, valid order. So I informed those 3 lawyers that it is your opinion, it is your interpretation, and your interpretation is different from mine. So there was a little bit friction. So I was forced to leave. I was forced to leave the office. Hence, I informed them na, anyway, I have the directive, babalik ako the following day. Babalik ako following day, and I will be reporting every day. Because my letter to the HR is that with due respect to the administration policies and guidance, nag-request ako ng assistance sa kanya sa time in and time out of my attendance. Because saan ako mag-report? I was no longer allowed sa BLGF, so I have to implement the order na sa Treasurer's office ako mag-report. Okay? So here comes January 29, yesterday. What happened? Around 8 a.m. I think, I visited the office just to find out na bawal daw akong pumasok. So as you can see the video, I just prepare na hindi ko akalain na gano'n. Hindi ko naman ina-expect. Because in my reply to the first endorsement, January 27, dated January 27, addressed to the Secretary of Finance, na I am physically assuming and I am not giving any consent to another extension sa regional office ng BLGF. So, yun ang nangyari. Then, the rest is history na, yung mga, attorney.
So asa na magkakaroon, sir, nag-opisina, considering nga mo ni hitabo sa Toledo?
So after what happened yesterday, I made a visit sa office ng DILG, sa region office. I made a visit sa Civil Service Regional Office, and there were advice that was given to me
Mm.
that na just to stay put, just submit DTRs na nagko-comply ka because you already have proof na you want to work or working. Kung hindi ka lang papasweldo, that's a different story. Kasi di ko alam sino pipirma ng aking DTR effective sa January 28. Onwards, di ko alam. Kaya humingi ako ng tulong sa DILG tsaka sa Civil Service.
Kaya insofar as your narrative is concerned, meaning you are just following orders, no? That's why you reported
Yes, sir.
to your
Yes, sir.
office to comply the order from your higher ups.
Yes, sir. Because on the directive, I'm just depending my movement on the directives of the BLGF and the DOF. Because I am under them.
Oo. So did you not visit the office of the mayor after this incident? Nalak ning mga opisina?
Actually, I asked the 3 lawyers. I am open to communication if I could talk.
Oo.
I was instructed na, you know what you did. So, nabigla ako. So, hindi na ako nag-insist.
Oh, pero
I made an attempt.
doon ay may conflict aning mayor, sir. Wa may tungod kay ako ng mga pangutanan kay inosente mi aning maong panghitabo, wala may kahibaw gid ani bisag gamay. Unya nag-viral lang ning imong hitabo kay na may video nga ni katap nga wa ka kasod. So unsa may inyong background ani doon ay problema, doon ay conflict mo aning mayor?
Ang nakikita ko lang naman diyan is during my time when I was the city treasurer 2023. There were documents, vouchers for my signature and for payment na hindi ko pinirmahan. Because during that time, I found some irregularities na made sa process, especially, particularly sa members of the Bids and Awards Committee during that time. There were more than 6 documents, I think, na hindi ko pinirmahan. So what I did is I wrote a letter to the members of the BAC for them to explain in writing on why should I pay these vouchers. Unfortunately, ang aking na-receive na reply is they cannot act on my request because they were instructed by the mayor not to make a reply. So after 2 days, there's already a demand letter for me. 2 or 3 days, I just don't remember. I have a demand letter coming from that supplier that I threatening me to be sued if I will not pay them. So, inunahan ko na lang, ako na lang ang nag-file. So, sa aking mga na-file na kaso, there were more than 8, I think, administrative and criminal, may nadesisyonan ang ombudsman against 2 of those people. Which right now, the first hearing that we had in the regional trial court in Toledo City was January 27. So just pardon me, I cannot name names na lang to protect the children of those involved. Yun, may na-convict. Likewise, there were cases filed against me, more than I think 6 or 7, na all of those cases were dismissed by the Office of the Ombudsman. So, meron isang natitira ngayon sa administrative case na pinail nila sa Bureau of Local Government of Finance na related sa na-file sa Office of the Ombudsman. Which the Office of Ombudsman decided na it is a forum shopping. So, yun yung nangyari because the case in the BLGF and the case they filed, yun ang naging decision ng Ombudsman. So, right now, I have no pending cases. Except for the administrative na wala pang decision sa ano. But my lawyers said that since already decided by the Ombudsman, I don't think that your administrative case will prosper. Yun lang na siguro ang nagsimula. Doon ako nakikita.
So din na-trigger ang tanan. Who were the complainants in the cases that you faced in the Ombudsman?
So, all my complainants are the City Legal Officer, Attorney Hassan Bergamento. At saka meron isa yung supplier, si Marvy Canyo.
Oh. So prior to this incident, the one that we saw in the video, how long did you serve as city treasurer in Toledo?
I have been in Toledo since 2015. I was
2015.
brought here by former Senator Mayor John Henry Osmeña
Mm.
as the assistant treasurer. Then I was promoted to city treasurer. So 10 years, more than 10 years na.
Okay. So doon na day lawom ni nga kuan gyud, no kay inani nga sitwasyon no mo na nga kuan kung doon na lawom nga background day ni hitabo gyud.
Siguro, because that is the cause of my detail. I was asking, bakit ako madi-detail? During my turnover in 2024, there's not even a centavo overage or shortage
Mm.
sa aking turnover.
Mm.
Hindi ko alam ko talaga, kaya wala akong makitang dahilan.
Oo. Sir, prior to your assignment in Toledo City, considering nga mo ra mag-Tagalog man gyud ang imong sinultian, where were you assigned? O asa man gyud ang imong
I was formerly an employee in the Treasurer's Office of Pasay City Local Government Unit.
So it was Mayor Osmeña who brought you there in Toledo?
Yes.
Okay, so mo na nga mo ni nagka-trigger ang kuan karon.
Wala akong ibang maisip, attorney.
Oo.
Anong dahilan nila?
So unsa naman imong gibuhat sa pagkakaroon, sir? But considering that you have been here in Cebu, you have been assigned in Toledo for more than 10 years, so makasabot lagi kag Bisaya. Unsa na may asa na magkakaroon mo report na lang kung mauhon eh.
Sa akin, I will just await for the order and directive of the BLGF kung ano ang kanilang gagawin. Lumaan din ako kahapon sa BLGF kasi nasa kaso lang, nasa seminar pa yung mga higher-ups ng regional personnel sa regional office. So I will just await kasi umiiwas naman ako sa gulo.
Oo, bitaw.
I was already advised by the civil service naman sa DILG.
At least kini mga hitabo kagahapon ang imong mga labaw sa BLGF nakahibaw na aning hitabo
Yes. Nag-ano kahapon. Pero ang ang kahapon kasi wala nga yung mga higher ups, mga higher personnel, nasa receiving lang yung napuntahan ko. So hindi ko alam kung but I was informed that they already saw the video of what happened.
Okay, so karong adlaw asa man ka mo report?
So today I'm just awaiting sa call. I'm going to visit civil service again this because my schedule is 1 p.m. sa kanila to talk to the lawyers. Yun ang gagawin ko ngayon.
Oo. Okay, kay mo man hitabo agad nya wala na lang kapasudla hinoon nga kompleto makag mga dokumento o nya wala ka pasudla, wala ka nagdahom ani nga mo ni mahitabo.
Hindi ko naman I was not expecting na ganyan ang mangyayari, attorney. So anyway, just for the meantime, I am following the guidelines of the guide of the CSC regional office.
You said that you wrote a letter to the mayor. What happened to that letter? Did you receive a response?
Yes, the mayor, the letter was received. I haven't received a response yet. But there was I have a receiving copy on all my letters.
Okay, because
on my assumption, I was awaiting for any response if there will be an official communication. Unfortunately, until now, wala naman ako nare-receive.
kining gitudlo nga caretaker sa imong opisina sa City Treasurer, kaila ra mo ani pod? Kauban na mo ani diha?
Glenda Macapobre used to be an employee of the City Treasurer's office, and then she transferred to the Commission on Election. And recently, I think in November or December 2025, he came back sa Treasurer's office. Then she was designated as caretaker. I just do not know the basis of that order, Attorney.
So okay.
Because as far as I know, caretaker is only available remedy if there is a vacancy
Oo.
in the position. Since there is no vacancy, I do not know the legalities of I do not know if she is signing right now or any documents. I do not know.
Oh, so at least from your end, you are just following orders from your head. But if in case, ug moingon imong labaw nga, i-assign na lang kaglain nga LGO for example, aron nga way gubot, okay ra sa ka.
I will be amenable kung anong mapag-uusapan namin. Because there, my consent is already needed because I have, as advised by civil service, na the extension is already maxed out. So I need to give consent to any extension of any detail.
Mm.
But I will be open to communication naman, attorney.
Okay. Sige sir, wala na kayong mga pangutana unless napakaidugang information nga ihatag namo dito sa publiko.
Wala na. If I can make just a little statement, attorney, na sa mga empleyado, lalo na nararamdaman natin, pare-pareho tayo, wala tayong sweldo sa ngayon. I hope maintindihan nyo na it is not my, hindi ako yung may salanan kung ano man. Pangalawa, yung mga payables sa mga recurring transactions, I know there will be a penalty thereof. Hindi ko alam kung sinong magbabayad niyan. Kasi nangyari na yan during the time ni former Mayor Osmeña at saka during sa rift nila ni Vice Mayor Yapa na nagsuffer yung funding ng local government.
Oo. Eh may tabo anyway, sweldo ni mga tao ron sa City Hall.
Wala yan, attorney, kasi I issued letters to the banks noong January 13 when I assumed, binigyan ko sila lahat ng copy na I do not know if they will honor it or not. Pero I'm sure na hindi nila i-honor yung pirma ng ibang tao.
Oh, kay caretaker may gi-designate nga puli nimo. O sige.
Yes.
So sige sir no. Salamat kay sa paghatag panahon nato diri sa DYHP RMN Cebu kay FM.
Yes, thank you, attorney. Thank you.
Mayong buntag.
Thank you, good morning.
Number 1 sa balita. Number 1 sa komentaryo. Number 1 sa drama. At number 1 sa serbisyo publiko. DYHP RMN Cebu. The official overall number 1. Number 1.
Atong atak na alas 9:40 na mga higala sa Banuban karon ning atong tulumanon ug inyong tulumanon.
Straight to the
Mura mo
point.
gani mahigalag tan-aw ko doon lagi diferensya kay nga naman kana gong gi padlakan na day. Pero atong suwayan og kwan. Atong suwayan og tawag si Mayor kasi nga ni Joy Perales may mayor diha sa Toledo. So dunay kwan dunay kwan background ani day kumaohon, no? Dunay problema kani adto pa indekin. Laom-laom ning problema ha kung maohon day ni. Kaya namay naka-trigger ani kani adto pa mga higala nga mga pirma mo ni mauna, no? So subayonon tani og maayo mga sukiti paminaw, but atong gitawgan ron si Mayor Joy Perales aron nga atong mahinabi, no, nga makuha pa to iyang side kaya nga problema gud ani kung mapagan ang mga empleyado nga di makasildo day. Kapait aning kalakiha daghan na ba ni mga empleyado sa Toledo City Hall mga sukiti paminaw.
Straight to the point.
Sa atong gitawagan, kuan ako no dayken sa may kalaki diha ron. Off ang cellphone sa mayor. Balikan na itong tawag. Okay, sige lang. Kaya ron nga ato mahigala masuta ni ron nga itong taod, no? Ato lang okay, sige. While magtawag ta sa mayor, atos nang pasudlon itong mga komplinan sa itong uban. Kaya di may mga komplinan sa itong mahigala. Nga ato sanggi atiman karon kaya di may mining ining Toledo nakapurhisyo sa ni. Otro sa ni nakapurhisyo mga higala.